Hi guys. So today is another vlog. Instead of writing, I will record my thoughts, emotion, and etc. Sorry for the background. My room is really messy right now. And sorry. Today, let's just turn off the lights. Is it off? Yeah. Today, my heart is really heavy. I don't know what to explain. Like, it's so heavy to the point na maglisod ko og hinga, and it's difficult for me to, like, nag-overthink ko and maglisod ko og hinga and like bugat gyud sa dughan and all. But wait lang, I don't think it's recording. But I think it is from the coffee I drink kanina, because I went to John Paul to get my ID, and I arrived early. So I am the fourth sa line. So nako sa front. So it's easy and dali ra siya pagkuha sa ID. Wala lay hour. But I waited for an hour, so yeah. Pero ang process, I mean, is dali lang. And since I katong pag ano sa Google Form, kay wala ko naka-picture, so dito ko nag-take of picture, and pangit kaayo ko sa ako ang ID, guys. Mura mo ko. Pangit kaya ko sa akong ID. Di ko ganahan. Mura akong tomboy did ko. I should have fixed my hair. Because I don't have time to fix my hair kay nauna gani ko, and then like fast kay atanan. Nauna ko sa line, and like pag nila na magpa-picture, so ato dahil ko dito, and then kulbaan ko. And yes, moto. But it's okay. I think that happens naman. And today, after I get the ID, I got the ID. I ordered a coffee sa Pick Up Coffee before ko nag-uli nagatang og jeep. I ordered caramel macchiato sa Pick Up. I think that is the reason why super cold ba ko right now. Like, sakit akong dughang. Mura kung nagpalpitate good. Like, I'm shaking. Like, akong maglisod ko ginhawa, and then I'm always overthinking about something. About bad, ano, good. And then, I think, Jude, it's because of coffee. And today, I read, no, I didn't read. I started reading Maury, Tuesdays with Maury, and the book is good, but for me, it's not something na I would sit and finish na yun. But still, I haven't finished it yet. I'm still at page 90 something. And they said na it's good pag sa ending na. So, I'm looking forward to that part. And Tuesdays with Maury was like about the art of living, the art of life, the purpose of our life, how we shouldn't be scared about death. And I think that is the reason also why I'm overthinking. Like, murag, it fuels my palpitation good, I think. Because I started this I can't breathe moment after reading Maury. Tuesdays with Maury. Reading some Tuesdays with Maury. So I think that fuels my palpitation. Like I'm overthinking and I can't breathe and all. But instead of writing down what I have felt, you know, sorry, but I'm lazy writing everything. Like I don't have the energy to write it out, but I had the energy to out. Record out, you know, it's like to, no, it's good to record things and look back after a few years. And I hope I can still record and look back to all of this. And what else? And I don't know how I will get off this palpitation because it's really sakit sa heart, you know. It's like, it's like, giana imong heart, oh. It's like gikumot, giana imong heart, and you can't breathe, and all, so it's not easy. I think it's because jud sa caramel macchiato, because it's pure coffee. And I've tried this before, drinking something coffee gapon, and it's like my heart is shaking and all. And I just also finished the laundry. I did the laundry after I doom scroll and read more. And what else? What should I share? You know, overthinking is very hard for me because once I overthink, lalala siya. Like, gusto kung saan na lang ako maunang. And it's very frustrating, like, very worry. Ano ganun, worry ka sa all, even though you don't have to. And after I got out sa Jollibee, I am very worried. Like the thoughts of worrying, the thoughts of entering college, the thought um of thinking about it would happen to me. Like what if good nag-flashback siya tanan sa ako before I haven't enrolled because I had that era of my life wherein I'm very down, very depressed because my future, because of college, because of financial worries, ganun. And I've overthinking any na naman, so I don't want that to happen again because it's very frustrating, it's very sad, it's very depressing and all. And because I am lazy to write down, I think I should record na lang. Ba, it's not just I can practice my English, but also to look back at things when I'm older now. So that's what you're feeling today, Kim. It's very long, 10 minutes, wow. And also, I saw some of my schoolmates and classmates from grade 10 dito sa John Paul. So, walang kawala sa crossers kami. And I just really hope this day will pass na, will pass na. Like, mama na rin na day because I keep on worrying still. I keep on overthinking about my family, what if, ganun. So, I whisper praying, I whisper, I silently pray na lang na I would be okay, they would be safe, they would be safe pag uli, and all, especially one of our family would travel sa Mati this night. So I hope we'll come back home safely and sound, or God will uh, protect it from everything negative and unsafe. So I think that's it for my thought 101. And I just really hope my palpitation or overthink my, what do I call this, anxiety would go away, please. Anxiety, overthink, go away. Just can't do that. I can't. That is, that's it. Bye. Thank you. I hope college will be fun and exciting every day.